In this video, we will show you how to assemble and use the Acer electric scooter series 5 Advance for the first time. In the box, you will find main scooter body, hexagonal wrench and screws, charger, warranty booklet, and user manual. Remember to read user's manual carefully. Read it like there is no tomorrow. Your city can be your playground, but first things first. Lift up the front tube and handlebar. Lock the folding lever. Level all the parts with the head tube. Insert the connector to the front tube. Tighten the screws on both sides of the pipe with hexagonal key. If you ate your breakfast, you will tighten them well. Connect the charger to a wall outlet and its other end to the charging slot under the stem on the side. The charger indicator is red at charging and green at charging complete. When the battery is charged, unplug the charger. You won't need it during the ride. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To change gears, press the power button twice. To turn on head or tail lights, use the light switches on the right side of the handle. To use turning lights, press the switch on the left side of the handle. The display allows you to monitor your gear, speed, power level, and light status. And you can do all these things within the app. We left the riding function the only thing you have to do yourself. To start the ride, put your foot on the footstep and push the ground with the other foot. Once the scooter moves forward, put the other foot on the footstep and gradually push the throttle. Looking for a brake. To stop the scooter, release the accelerator lever while pressing the brake lever accordingly to vehicle speed. To turn off the scooter, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To easily fold the scooter, press the anti-release button. Unlock the folding lever. Fold back the front tube and lock the fixation hook to the fixing plate on the rear wheel brake. To unfold it again, follow the same steps in reverse. We want you to ride comfortably. That's why the scooter has 10-inch foam tires and shock rear suspension. Remember to ride with caution and always wear a helmet. And in case it rains, we got you covered.